What's going on, everybody? Jonathan Rahina here. Welcome back to the Passion Built YouTube channel. It's been a while. It's been almost 2 years since I've uploaded a video, and honestly wasn't planning on doing a video today, but I don't know, spark of motivation happened and I decided why not. So today I'm currently in the process of giving my 2005 CRF250R a little bit of a refresh. I've owned this bike for a little while now, about I think 4 years. I bought it like mid-COVID, but got it for a super good deal. It was the last thing I ever bought off Craigslist. Don't ever think I'll buy anything off there again, but who knows. But bought this bike with a locked up engine. She got a rebuilt engine as soon as I picked it up, refreshed it, and the bike has been running phenomenally. I enjoy this bike. It rides so good, but I have not done anything aesthetically to it to make it look good or give it my own touch. So today, that's what I'm doing. I've already gone through, removed all the old plastics, removed the seat. I have a fresh set of plastics from UFO, and I have a new seat cover that I'm going to be throwing on this. The bike itself was super crusty, basically looked like this everywhere, but I went through and all of the places that are visible when the plastics are installed, I went through and gave it a little bit of a hand polish. As you can see, looks pretty good. I'm satisfied with where I got it to, so yeah, looks pretty good. But other than that, I got a new set of levers that we're going to throw on there, a new shifter, new brake pedal, and a new graphics kit for the plastics that has my riding number and my name on it. So there's that. And also, one thing I just noticed is that these fork covers I did not remove yet because I have to remove the front wheel to actually get those off. Don't know who came up with that design, but here we are. So got to remove the front wheel, get those fork lowers off, and then we should be good to go. But anyway, guys, it's been a while since I've uploaded to YouTube. I'm a little rusty at this right now, and yeah. So if you're tuning in and you haven't been in here in a little while, hey guys, I missed you a lot, and honestly, just haven't had much motivation to get to YouTube. But today, a little spark of motivation, and I'm excited. So let's see where this video takes us, and let's get this bike looking really good. So without further ado, let's get today's video started. Alrighty, plastics fully installed, and this bike is looking phenomenal already. The new plastics with the polished frame, I honestly wish I would have taken the time to do this sooner because it is looking absolutely incredible, and this is probably going to be the nicest vehicle that I've ever owned after this is all said and done. But as you can see, the factory seat's not installed right now. Up next, we got to get the factory seat cover removed, and we're going to be reskinning this with the Factory FX TC4 seat cover. This is a grippier style seat cover. It's going to provide more traction for my butt when I'm going through the woods. So this is a major plus. And fun fact, I've been hoarding this thing for so freaking long that it is now discontinued and you can no longer buy this thing. But we're gonna get this reskinned on here. Also, I'm gonna be making a second video, which who would have known? Today I've had all this freaking motivation to make 2 videos. So if you guys are wanting to learn how to install a seat cover on your factory dirt bike seat, I will be linking that video in the description below once it's out. I don't know if it's going to be coming out before this video or after, but I'll link it in the description below whenever it does come available. But yeah, this is going to be a big plus on there. Also, one thing that I am missing that I haven't bought yet, I got to go to Cycle Gear tomorrow, get myself a new set of grips and a new handlebar because my handlebar is kind of tweaked. So once I purchase those and get those installed, this bike will be completely done for now. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get the seat cover removed and install the new TC4 seat cover. And just like that, new seat cover is fully installed. And guys, this is starting to really look good. And I know I say that after every little thing I've been doing to this thing, but this seat cover is it. This is exactly what I was wanting. It has that touch of modern and then that OEM plus look. I absolutely love this seat cover. It really is pulling the bike together right now. Very happy with that. Now up next, we're gonna go ahead and install all the little trinkets that we got. I just ran up to Cycle Gear, grabbed the new handlebar, grabbed the new set of Pro Taper half waffles. I have some donuts here, a rear brake clevis, brake pedal, shifter, clutch and brake levers, and then some valve stems, which we're not gonna make a big deal out of those. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get all these parts installed. I'm probably gonna start from the bottom and work my way up. So I'll do the shifter, the brake pedal, then we'll work our way up to the handlebars. And then after that, the final thing to tie it all together, the graphics kit. Not gonna lie, kind of dreading that because I have OCD and doing graphics are not my favorite because I like it to be absolutely perfect and I'm gonna take my time with it. So after we get all those little trinkets installed, we'll get the graphics kit installed and then this bike will be done. So let's keep it moving. New handlebar setup fully installed, new handlebars, new grips, new donuts, new levers. We also got the brake pedal and we also have a new shifter, and it is finally time for the grand finale, the graphics. Quick little preview of what the graphics are going to look like. This is a kit from Scrub Designs. Very nice graphic kit, very thick and high quality. I am super excited to get this installed. A couple things that will have to be removed. This actually is not installed right now. I will have to remove the number plate because I don't want to be fighting around this brake line right here. And then also the seat has to come off to install the side graphics because they kind of contour up into the seat right here. So I'm just going to remove that and then the number plate to install those. And then everything else should be pretty straightforward. I'm going to start with the easier stuff first, like the swing arms, the tail, the sides, the fork lowers, and then I'm going to save the radiators covers and the nose for last because those have a lot of odd curves on them and they're definitely going to take some time to do. But real quick before I get these installed, let me just show you them off the bike. Look at these. Look at the gloss on these things. These are super nice. This is gonna look really good. But yeah, we're gonna get these installed right now, and then the bike will be done for now until future upgrades. But for right now, I'm gonna be super content with it, and I'm very excited to see what this thing looks like. So without further ado, one more time lapse, I promise, and then we will be done with this bike. So let's get started. guys, it's done. And it's perfect. Check it out. This thing looks absolutely incredible. The new graphic design is so sick. The number plate, the nose, the fork covers, everything. It's absolutely perfect. All of the little accessories that we added on here, the seat cover, everything. It is so good. I am beyond thrilled and happy with the way this bike came out. It's literally, the best way I could describe it is now, like, this bike is a reflection of me, my styling, my personality. Before, you know, I had the engine rebuilt on it, but like the styling and, you know, the numbers that were on it were just from the previous owner, and there was no styling really. There was just the factory graphics and then some numbers that the previous owner slapped on. But like now, this bike, this is mine, and it's perfect. I'm thrilled. Quick little info about the company that made this graphics kit. They're called Scrub Designs. They are based out of Slovakia, so they are overseas. They sent this over, and like the packaging, grade A, perfect. The quality of the vinyl, amazing. Like, I've done a couple graphics kit in my life, and I've never had, like with this, the only thing I actually had to use a little bit of heat on were the side panels and kind of the fork lowers, just because they have some odd curves to them, but everything else applied so well. The material, it's so thick, but it's so pliable, and it's just like the colors on it, like they pop. Like, it's so glossy. This, I mean, I paid the price, but like, it was worth it. This is a very, very high quality and beautiful graphics kit. This graphics kit was designed by Scrub Designs as well, so like, this is their own design. You can't just get this off any other seller, and I have no affiliation with them at all, but the communication with the company was great. I messaged them because I saw them on Instagram, and I said, hey, I saw this on a bike that you had, which honestly was I think it was like a brand new CRF250R, so probably 2025, 2024, something like that. And they were able to retrofit that graphics kit to my 2005, and it's absolutely incredible. Everything that I did here, I'm so stoked on, and man, it just looks too good. But anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. If you made it this far in the video, I really do appreciate you. Do me a favor, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like what you saw and you have any questions or comments about the graphics or anything that we installed on the bike, drop it in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to let you know my opinions on everything. And you know, if you have any questions about install processes, I'll be happy to answer those questions. But also, another thing, mid-video, I broke away and I made a second video for how to install the seat cover. So if you guys are looking to replace your seat cover on your dirt bikes, I made a completely separate video for that, which will probably be released after this video. So whenever that video releases, I'll drop the link for that video in this description, so you guys can link over to that. But anyway, guys, thanks for sticking around to the end. We just hit 7,000 subscribers on this channel, so thank you all from the bottom of my heart for getting us up to 7,000 subscribers. I haven't really posted much on YouTube in the past couple years, so it's very cool to see that people still are watching and subscribing to the channel. So hopefully, no promises, I will continue to make content soon, but no promises. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and until the next time, I'll see you then. Peace.